what I'm going to show you how to do now is how to do a simple flowchart for this little circuit here to controller, because at the moment that chip is blank. So I'll go to Pix, open up flowcharts, and the first thing we want is a start. So if I put the circuit here and then have the flowchart next to it here, it just makes it easier to copy and paste into your PowerPoint. It just makes it nice and neat. So it's already targeted the chip, so it knows it's an 08M chip. The first thing I'm going to do is, to control my circuit, I'm going to have a push switch. So the first thing is going to be a decision, whether the button is pressed or not. So it's test input. Click and drag that there. So if the button's not pressed, I just want it to go back to the start and not do anything. But if it is pressed, I want it to turn all of the lights on. So I close decision, go to inputs and outputs, and set outputs, and drag that over to there. Now if you click on there, you'll see all of the outputs are there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to turn them all on, like so. I'm going to have a delay then, so I'll go to processes and have a delay. Have them on for 5 seconds, and then I'm going to turn them all off. So go to inputs and outputs again. And then I'm just going to stop. Make sure they're all connected. Press play on the flowchart, and you'll see it's looking for the switch to be pressed. So as soon as I press that, all of the LEDs come on for 5 seconds, and then switch off and it stops. If I wanted to change it, I could select that and delete it. So I could perhaps, if I wanted to, make it go back to the start again. So it would constantly be looking for the button to be pressed. And it'll come on for 5 seconds, and then switch off. And I could then restart it and it would work again. If you wanted to do a much more complicated sequence than this, have a go at doing a bit more complicated things with the on-off functions for the outputs, and that's basically it. Okay, so you screenshot this and just a quick explanation of what's going on.